In this video, how to send email on Salesforce. I will show you step by step how to send an email using Salesforce. First, go to the Salesforce website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main menu of the platform. Now click the icon called App Launcher. In the search bar, type Contacts or Leads. Click the desired option to open the contact list. Now, select the contact you want to email. Open the contact profile page. Inside the profile, find the option called Email. Click the Email button to open the message editor. Now, type the email subject in the subject field. Write your message in the text box. Include any important information in the email. If needed, click the attachment icon to add files. Select the file from your computer. Review the email content before sending. Make sure the recipient information is correct. After that, click the Send button. The email will be sent directly from Salesforce. This is how you can send emails to customers using Salesforce.